Blood flow through your artery decreases as the plaque enlarges. Blood cells can stick to the plaque and form solid clumps called clots, further reducing or completely blocking your blood flow. Damage to your arteries raises your blood pressure even more by making your heart beat more forcefully. Artery damage and reduced blood flow lead to conditions such as a stroke, heart attack, or kidney disease. In most cases, the cause of high blood pressure or hypertension is unknown. This type of high blood pressure is called primary or essential hypertension. Treatment for essential hypertension includes lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet. If you are sensitive to the sodium in salt, your doctor may recommend limiting your intake of salt and highly processed foods. Sodium may cause your body to retain water, which increases both your blood volume and your blood pressure. Other lifestyle changes that can reduce blood pressure include avoiding excessive alcohol intake, getting regular exercise, losing weight if you are overweight, and quitting smoking.